To find a grid bearing on a map, instead of using a compass, you can use a grid bearing finder, and that's what I'm going to show you now. Let's just say, for instance, that you're in that position there, just on the side of this lake at the end of that track, and where you want to go to is across there, the beginning of this track. Okay, so that's where you are, and that's where you want to go to. So what you do is you use a grid bearing finder. It's also got roamers on it as well, but it's the grid bearing finder that you'll be using. Right, place it on your map with 0 degrees pointing north, and you place the centre of the bearing finder directly over where you are now, making sure that the actual grid bearing finder is parallel to the north-south lines on the map. Okay, so that's the centre of the grid bearing finder. It's directly over where you are now. Take hold of the string and place it over where you want to go. Okay, and you'll see, just read off the scale on the finder where the string is intersecting, and it's saying 275. So that's 275 is the bearing. So once we know that, you can put your map away, put the bearing finder away, and take out your compass. And what you need to do now is align up 275 on the compass housing. You want to line that up with the direction of travel arrow. So we'll do that now. That's 275 lined up with the direction of travel arrow. So what you've got there is a grid bearing. What you need to do now is convert that to a magnetic bearing. And in the UK you have to add the variation. If you look on the top of the map that you're using, it will show you what the variation is. So we'll add the variation. Right, what you need to do now is turn your compass so that the orienteering arrow aligns up with the magnetic needle. So turn that until they both line up. So you've got your orienteering arrow perfectly lined up with the magnetic needle. Alright, now this is the direction of travel arrow, and that will be pointing at your destination. So that's the way you need to go.